In the beginning, the name of Allah. I am MD Muhammad Ashraful Islam, Assistant Teacher of Tarragona High School of English. My dear student, I hope you are very well. Like you, I am also very fine. You know that for the coronavirus, all the schools of Bangladesh are closed. So, online classes going on to every school of Bangladesh, like our school. Today, I shall discuss about suffix. Last class, I discussed about suffix of noun, how to find out noun and how to know the formation of noun. Today I shall discuss about suffix of adjective. You know, adjective, firstly, it has 5 qualities. Like, to cite some example, you can understand it easily. Like, the first example, he was an honest man. This adjective means quality. The second example, Salam is a lazy boy. This means disquality. Third example, he has much money. It means quantity. Fourth example, I bought 5 books. It means number. 5 example, mother saw a running bus. This is one kind of situation. My dear student, you have understood by the 5 example, adjective has 5 quality. Besides this 5 quality, there are many ways to know the adjective. To add some letters, to add at the end of the word, to formation of the suffix. I discuss it in details. My dear student, you follow me and look at the whiteboard and write down on your khata. Number 1, at the end of the word, less, to add, to make suffix. Like land, landless, foodless, foodless, homeless, homeless, landless, foodless, homeless. Number 2, at the end of the word, To make adjective, TIV, educative, creative. My dear student, you can understand this easily. TIV at the end of the word to make adjective. Besides this, there are many ways to know the adjective. Number 3, at the end of the word, OUS to make a suffix or adjective. Dangerous. At the end of the word OUS and to make a adjective. Number 4, able. At the end of the word to make adjective. So, society. At the end of the word, able to make adjective. Number 5, at the end of the word, to add end of the word to make adjective. To cite some example, I like cooked meat. This is one kind of adjective because this word is situated at the end of the ed and it's situated before noun. About noun, it extracts some quality. I like cooked meat. So this is one kind of adjective. And he bought some eaten mangoes. This is one kind of adjective. At first, eat. This is verb. At the end of the word en, to add en, to make suffix. Beside this, some suffix at the end of the adjective. There are many ways to add at the end of the word and to make suffix. See, to add at the end of the word and to make adjective. Like exclusive, expensive. My dear student, you follow see at the end of the word to add sheep and to make suffix. Number 7. Sometimes to add ing to make adjective, like he saw many birds, many birds, many birds flying in the sky. Flying, fly, you want kinds of verb, sorry, this is verb to add in the end of the word ing. It makes adjective. Number 8. Number 8. My dear student, this today no more today. In the next class, I shall discuss about prefix. To finishing of my class, you make